Another acoustic cover song for you coming up next. Napakagandang song para sa inyo. It's about yung mga ating mga kaibigan, alright? Mga kaibigan natin sa Bigo. You always got a friend. The title of this, welcome to Acoustic Lounge, guys. This is Mix D doing acoustic cover song for you. You Got a Friend by James Taylor. Yes, because you got a friend in me. This is Mix D. When you're down and trouble, then you need a helping hand. And nothing is going right. Close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten up even your darkest night. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running. Oh yeah, baby, to see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, and all you got to do is call, and I'll be there, yeah. And you got a friend. Sabi ni Marites, cool na cool lang. Cool lang, diba? In the skies, the mobile should turn dark and cool the clouds, and that's all. And those winds should begin to blow, and keep your head together and call my name out loud now. Soon I'll be knocking upon your door. You just call down my name, and you know wherever I am, and I come rolling. Oh yes, I will see you again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, and all you gotta do is call, and I'll be there, yeah. Hey, ain't good to know that you got a friend. People can be so cold, they'll hurt you and desert you. They'll take your soul if you let them go. Yeah, don't you let them. You just call now my name, and you know wherever I am, I come rolling to see you again. Oh baby, don't you know about winter, spring, summer, or fall? Hey, now all you got to do is call. Lord, I'll be there, yes I will. You got a friend. Yes, you got a friend. They ain't good to know you got a friend. They ain't good to know you got a friend. Oh yeah, you got a friend. Woo! Diba? Ang sarap. Easy lang tayo dito, guys. You got a friend. Alright, okay. Lava.